Hello, Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po yung nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Scorpio, paunang mensahe po ninyo, strength. You have courage, you can endure, find the center, and spiral into your power. Ayan, so this is your inner strength, no? And courage na maaring sa ngayon kailangan ninyong buhayin para lumabas, no, ang inyong kapangyarihan, maging matapang kayong harapin ang mga hamon ng buhay, matapang kayong gawin ang mga bagay na gusto ninyong gawin noon na maaring nagpo-procrastinate kayo na gawin, no? Pero ngayon, no, gisingin ninyo ang inyong inner strength nang sa gayon, magawa ninyo ang mga gusto ninyong gawin. Na dati siguro pinaghihinaan kayo ng loob, dati wala kayong tiwala sa sarili, yung ganon. What else? You have friendship. Be with the ones who make you shine. Ayan. Be with the ones na mga kaibigan na very supportive of you, no? Yung ganon. Yung handang tumulong sa'yo lagi, laging mag-cheer sa'yo, yung ganon. Who you love and really care, keep those and let the others go. Ayan, kung sino man, no? Mga kaibigan ninyong tinuring, pero alam mo yun, nandiyan lang sila kapag maganda ang pakiramdam mo, nandiyan lang sila kapag maayos ang kalagayan mo, nandiyan lang sila kung kailangan nila ng tulong from you, you know? So, those are the kind of friends na masasabi ninyong hindi yun ang totoong kaibigan. Diba? Kasi kung may sadya lang sila, kung meron lang sila makukuha sa'yo, yun lang, kaibigan ka nila. Pero pag ikaw nangangailangan, kapag ikaw yung nasa low point sa buhay ninyo, nawawala sila. Diba? So, what else? Confidence. Be bold, rise up, and stand tall. Feel the fire in your soul. Ayan. So, it's really good, no? You're going to activate your inner strength and courage. Samahan nyo ng confidence. Walang gagawin kayo dito na hindi ninyo pagtatagumpayan. Wala kayong gagawin dito na hindi ninyo makiklaim ang victory ninyo. Kasi you're going for it. You're going for it with the confidence energy. Magiging kayo dito, matapang, magiging focused, determined, driven, no? And you are going to claim your victory dito kung ano man ang gagawin ninyo. We have discernment, see the truth of the situation. Okay? Use common sense and do not be fooled. Pay attention, your intuition knows. Okay? See the truth of the situation. Kailangan ninyong makita yan before you make a decision, before you jump into conclusion. Look at the four corners of your situation first. Okay? Huwag kayong maniniwala lang, no, sa sasabihin sa'yo ng mga tao na ganito ang iyong sitwasyon. Ganyan, di ba? You need to to discern, no? You need to find out on your own, di ba? Kung ano nga ba ang totoo mong sitwasyon. So, tingnan natin kung ano pa ang ganap. We have play. Ayan, Scorpio. Kailangan ninyo din na mag-play. Kailangan din ninyo na mag-unwind. Kailangan din ninyo na mag-embrace ng inyong inner child. Okay? Hindi pwedeng puro lang kayo trabaho, obligasyon, responsibilidad. No? You also need to balance your life. Kailangan mo din na balansihin ang inyong sarili. Hindi lang puro obligasyon na trabaho, relationship, or pamilya ang atupagin ninyo or aasikasuhin ninyo. You should also give yourself time para mapangalagaan din ninyo ang inyong sarili. No? You need to attend to your needs as well. What else? We have hold the connection. Ayan. So, friendship. Tapos, merong hold the connection. So, eto yon, no? Yung mga kaibigan ninyo na matuturing ninyong tunay na kaibigan, mga kaibigang mapagkakatiwalaan, mga kaibigang sincere sa'yo, loyal sa'yo, mga kaibigang laging nandyan sa tabi mo, willing to be by your side, ano man ang inyong pinagdadaanan, masaya ka man, malungkot ka man, you know, those are the kind of friends na dapat ninyong i-hold ang connection ninyo with them. Kasi, ano yan, ano man ang inyong pagdaanan, maaraw man, umaulan man ang panahon, sa buhay ninyo, nandiyan sila. No? So, those are the kind of people that you need to cherish, that you need to, to hold the connection with. Keep the faith. Okay? Keep the faith. Lagi kayong magtitiwala. Okay? Lagi kayong magtitiwala. Kasi, kahit iwanan tayo ng lahat, diba? Kahit iwanan tayo ng kung sino man sa buhay natin, when we have the faith in God, diba? Magiging maayos ang ating lagay. Magiging maayos ang buhay natin, diba? God will send us the people that will support us. God will send us the people that we need sa buhay natin, diba? So, tingnan natin kung ano pa. We have wealth. Wow, naglalakad si Scorpio sa maraming pera. You are moving towards real wealth and prosperity. Keep up the great work. So, talagang siguro sobrang sipag kayo sa inyong trabaho, sa inyong career, sa inyong negosyo, kung ano man ang pinagkukunan ninyo ng pera ninyo, ano man ang source ng inyong income, you know, talaga naman siguro buhos ang effort ninyo dyan. Kaya you are moving towards real wealth, no? Big time na siguro itong kaperahan na paparating sa inyo. Prosperity. You're going to be wealthy. You're going to be prosperous and abundant. We have limitations. Fear and doubt limit freedom of action. That's very true. Kaya what you need to do is let go of your worries. Kasi worrying about something, you know, is not a nice idea. It's not a great idea. Kasi negative energy yan. No? Imbes na mag-attract ka ng positive things sa buhay ninyo or positive situations, kung worry ang nararamdaman ninyo, you are going to attract more of the things na ipag-worry ninyo. You are going to attract more negative situations sa buhay ninyo. Kaya, let go of your worries, no? Be hopeful instead. Kapit lang, laban lang, kung mayroong mga pinagdadaanan hindi masyadong favorable para sa inyo, no? Transmute that worries into something positive para positibo ang maganap, positibo ang ma-attract. We have an eye for beauty and uncover hidden charms. Okay? Seek and you will find. Hanapin ninyo. Diba? Hanapin ninyo, maghanap kayo at makukuha ninyo. Hindi ninyo mahahanap or you will not find, no, if you are not going to look for it. Kaya kung ano man ito, no, kung ano man itong hinahanap ninyo, if you are going to take action and looking for it, then you will definitely find it. So, good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.